Everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to add clickable link on your YouTube channel video description. How to add clickable link on your YouTube videos. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to click on right bottom your YouTube channel profile. After that, here you have to click on your videos. Now from here you have to select any video which you want to add clickable link. For example, I want to add clickable link on this video. Click on this three dots front of the video. Here you can see you have to click on this three dots front of the video. After that, here you have to click on this edit button. When you click on this edit button, now here you have to click on this description. After going to description, go to description. Here you have to paste the clickable link of which you want to add. Here you have to paste your clickable link. After that, you have to click on, now after that you go back and click on top right save icon. Now here you can see clickable link has been added to my video. Open this video or play this video and go to this video description. Now here you can see this is clickable link has been added to in this my video description. In this way you can add a clickable link on your YouTube videos description. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel and see you next interesting video.